Well, the deal that the British government concluded is the following. They would like to answer two requests of the market because the market is not working properly. Number one, there is a difficulty to find investment and especially the guarantee to investors ready to invest in low carbon technologies, and the British government is offering a guarantee by the state. And secondly, the price of electricity, which is the recurrent income to compensate for the investment, is volatile, by the way, for a great deal because of the public subsidies to renewables in Europe. So both requests has been answered by the British government, which is offering a state guarantee, which it does not mean taxpayers' money to invest, but just a guarantee in case of. And because of this guarantee on the one side and the consolidation of a price of electricity in the market, the EU competition rules apply, and so they needed the green light of the European Commission. And the deal concluded now is precisely the green light of the European Commission to support this kind of state aid mechanism. And finally, which is really important, the European Commission has ruled that this mechanism suggested by the British government is in line with the market the EU rules and the competition rules. So that's why they got the green light, and it's a good news for the nuclear community. It is a very important decision for the UK policy and more globally the European policy, because it confirms that nuclear energy is a part of the answer to the request for low carbon energy. The financing allows to build a very huge nuclear power station, which will create 25,000 jobs during the construction period, and more globally, and this is a very particularity of nuclear, for a very long period of time, 60 years. So during 60 years, we already know what about the price and the cost of electricity for the British consumers. Well, the decision made by the European Commission and more globally the British government is really important for Europe because it paves the way for other similar experiences in Europe to support the construction of nuclear power plants and consequently to fight against climate change and provide low carbon energy. That's why many other countries in Europe are looking very closely to what's happening in the UK, because this could be an inspiration for them when they, in the next future, come with their own projects. So this investment does not only contribute to the fulfillment of the low carbon strategy of the EU, but on top of this, thanks to the specificities of nuclear, it is bringing security of supply, and because it is indigenous jobs to the competitiveness of nuclear industry. Maybe you know that nuclear is a leadership, technological leadership of Europe, and this decision will help maintaining this